everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install carpet panels. For this job, you'll need a couple tools. For this job, we'll be using a tape measure, a pencil, and a razor blade. So the first thing you want to do is find the exact center of your room. You do that by measuring the length and the width of the room, and where they intersect, right at the middle, that's where we're going to start. And what we'll do is we'll put an X on the floor, and then there will be 4 tiles that hit and merge right in the middle of the room. That way you know everything is running straight and it's not going to be kind of twisted when you go up against the wall. So what we'll do is we'll take the corner here and put it right in the middle of the X and follow those lines. And then we'll just butt these up together, making sure that our line here is running straight. And then we'll just do the same thing on this side. When it comes to the edges of the carpet, we'll take and line up our carpet here and then push it down into the wall. Then take your razor blade and cut right along that seam where it's bent over. That way you can pull this up and it'll fit right tight against that wall and ready for trim. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install carpet panels. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.